TikTok, how to browse as guest. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can browse as guest on TikTok, which means how you can watch TikTok without an account, without having to create any sort of account. So make sure to stick with me till the end. So currently if I open up TikTok, you can see I'm watching the videos, but all of these watch histories are going to this account here. But let's say you want to watch it privately, which means you don't want to create an account, you want to just use it as guest. Well, it's actually very simple because TikTok does actually let you to actually use with guests. So if I go ahead and then log out of my account here, I'll just go ahead and then log out, right? And once I log out, what happens is that you can see I'm still being able to watch TikTok. So if I come to my profile page, you can see I'm not logged into my account here. As you can see, it asks me to log in. But if I come to the home tab, you can see that I'm being able to watch TikTok, which means that you don't need to have an account and you can use TikTok as a guest. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.